The demand for clean label, sustainable products is growing. It just so happens that a solution to supply that demand is also growing, right here in Montana, industrial hemp. The nonwoven industry is evolving, and sustainable innovation is at the forefront. At IND Hemp, we're leading the way with U.S.-grown and processed industrial hemp fiber designed for modern, high-performing nonwoven applications. One of our recent innovations is a wipe. It's the first of its kind to be grown, processed, and manufactured here in the United States. Now you may be asking, what's so innovative about a wipe? Well, first of all, this wipe is made with industrial hemp fiber, and it can be used in all kinds of applications, from personal hygiene to everyday products in your household. Let me show you what we did at a recent trial with the Nonwovens Institute at North Carolina State University. Our journey begins on Montana farms, where our expert agronomists collaborate closely with local farmers to cultivate a specialized variety of industrial hemp, engineered to produce the highest quality fiber for modern applications. Once harvested, the hemp stalks are processed at our state-of-the-art facility in Fort Benton, Montana. Hemp bast fiber is produced through decortication, the process where a hemp stalk is physically separated and cleaned. At IND Hemp, our processing line is capable of handling up to 4 tons of raw stalk per hour. At this stage, premium hemp fiber is ready to be sold into the nonwovens manufacturing supply chain for all kinds of processes, including air lay and thermal bond, a process used to make things like insulation and mattresses, carding and needle punch, a process used to make things like carpets, liners, and filters in the automotive industry. For our recent spun lace trial, we advanced our inventory a couple steps further. We started by refining it into a finer, cleaner fiber, and then we sent that to Georgia for scouring. This gives the manufacturing industry the option to purchase a premium bast fiber compatible in various blend ratios with cotton and man-made cellulosic fibers, making it easy to implement into their standard spun lace process. We took some of that inventory to the Nonwovens Institute for carding and hydro-untangling to complete the spun lace process. In doing this, we created some of the first ever U.S.-grown and manufactured hemp-based wipes. Why? To show manufacturers that there's a hemp fiber compatible with their processes, and to show the industry that when brands add hemp grown on Montana farms to their products, they perform exceptionally well, their sustainability stories improve, their supply chain gets closer to home, and the clean labels that their customers care so much about get even cleaner. At IND Hemp, we're not just growing fiber, we're growing the industry. Thanks for watching.